go. Gravel, right 6, 120, then left 4, loose. 120, left 4, loose. Left 4, loose, 400. 400 to the crest. At the crest we want some braking because it's 80 to a turn right.
Yeah.
At the crest we want braking because it's 80 to a turn right. Braking at the crest, turn right. Turn at the stop. 90, right 6 up. Right 6 up here into left 5 up, loose 40. Left 5 up, loose 40. Right 6, 120 down over small crest. 120 down over small crest, then left 5. There's the left 5 coming up, left 5. Then 250 over small crest. Left 5, 250 over small crest. This is the blind chicane section after this crest, right next to this farmhouse is the blind chicane. There we go, chicane. Double chicane, right entry. $200 down, then 400. So this is 200 to the dip. 400 to the crest with the yellow sign, then another 100, then another 200 over crests. So yellow sign, 100, another 300 to go. Over a couple crests, we will have a left 4 up that we'll see. Over these crests, we will see the left 4 up and it's a do not cut. There's the left 4, and it's a do not cut. So that's left 4 up, do not cut, into right 6. This is the right 6, then 70 up. This is a right 5 up long into a left 6 short over crest. Up long and it ends as a left 6 short over crest. There's the crest, the left 6 short over it. Over it, then 40 left 3 over crest down tidy, left 3 over crest tidy. Left 3 over crest tidy with the windmill. Crest, kinks 300 down. Kinks 300 down. 300 down, we're gonna have the crest. Then another 100 down after the crest to a right 3 tidy. After this crest is another 100, then right 3 tidy. Here's the right 3, 70. 70 to a turn left, left, turn left. $200, crest. 200 to a crest, then 300 down. We're gonna have a 300 down, then a dip with logs, and then a 50 turn left. So down to this dip, logs 50, then turn left. 50, turn the left. Here's the turn. $80, crest, 50. 80, crest, 50, crest, then turn right. Crest, 50, turn right. Crest, turn right. Then 60 to the finish. 60 to this finish, then 200 to the stop. 2806. 192806.